So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a free custom checklist online, your personalized checklist without any software, and it has multiple features that you can use. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same process from your smartphone as well. Here, you have to search for checkli.com. It's not the total checklist, it's just checkli.com. Just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, you just simply click on this option which says make a free checklist, and it will ask you to give the title, give the description, and add multiple things that you want to add to your checklist. And once you are done with it, you can directly copy the link of the code of this list as well, or you can get the embedded code link as well that you can use anywhere you want. It's totally customizable and free to use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.